Ano nga ba ang mga premyo na may uuwi ng mga nanalo sa Miss Universe? Kasi hindi lang crown ang bitbit nila, kundi pera at literal na buhay reyna. Meet Victoria Thilbig ng Denmark, ang bagong Miss Universe 2024 at first ever Dane na nanalo sa pageant na ito. Hindi lang siya nag-uwi ng crown, kasama rin dito ang annual salary na 14 million pesos. Tapos world tour sa mahigit na 30 plus na bansa. May 1-year supply din siya ng Miss Universe cosmetics, luxury jewelry at Bulova watch. And wait, may residency din siya sa luxury apartment sa New York City with covered travel expenses para sa lahat ng kanyang activities. At ang cherry on top, ang suot niyang Force for Good crown na halos 308 million pesos ang halaga with almost 1,000 diamonds and sapphires na parang walking bank vault si Ate Mo Victoria. Pero wait, if you compare the prices sa Miss Universe at Miss World na cash price, sa Miss World ang premyo 56 million pesos cash, habang sa Miss Universe naman ay may annual salary na 14 million pesos. So alin ang bet mo? Sino kaya sa mga kandidatang ito ang totoong panalo after the pageant? Nako, manood ka dahil ito ang top 10 most successful Miss Universe ever. Number 10, Amelia Vega ng Dominican Republic, Miss Universe 2003. Imagine, 18 years old pa lang si Amelia nung nanalo siya. First ever Miss Universe ng Dominican Republic at youngest winner since 1994. From beauty queen, naging actress siya, model, singer at author pa. Fun fact, cover din siya ng book ni Donald Trump na The Miss Universe Guide to Beauty. So she's really one of a kind. Number 9, Gabrielle Eisler ng Venezuela, Miss Universe 2013. Alam nating madalas na nanalo ang Venezuela sa Miss U. Pero iba si Gabriela. She's super hands-on sa charities at local causes hanggang ngayon. Love siya ng mga fans niya kasi she's one of the kindest and most sincere queens. Number 8, Jennifer Hawkins ng Australia, Miss Universe 2004. Itong si Jennifer Hawkins is tilahati at 40. Si Jennifer ang OG blonde bombshell ng Miss Universe. Sobrang successful niya as TV host, brand ambassador, at naging host pa siya ng Australia's Next Top Model. Number 7, Alicia Machado ng Venezuela, Miss Universe 1996. Alicia Machado is still youthful at 47. Siya ay isa ng ganap na American actress, TV host, singer, at beauty queen. But did you know na binansagan siyang most popular Miss Universe in history because she gained weight and was criticized by Donald Trump, but look at her now, still successful and gorgeous. Number 6, Gloria Diaz of Philippines, Miss Universe 1969. Old but gold. Siya ang patunay na kahit senior na, maibubuga pa. As we all know, she's an actress, producer, model, and first Filipino to hold the Miss Universe title. So para sa mga sumasabay sa kanyang yapak, si Miss Gloria Diaz ang itinuturing na blueprint ng bawat Filipina beauty queens. Number 5, Catriona Gray ng Pilipinas, Miss Universe 2018. Sino nga ba makakalimot sa makapanindig balahibo na lava walk ni Catriona Gray? There's no doubt na siya talaga ang mag-uuwi ng corona noon because she's the jack of all trades for being a beauty queen. Dahil imagine, aside from being crowned as Miss Universe, naging Miss World Top 5 din siya noon. And now she's a host, speaker, singer, model, endorser, and advocate. Lahat kaya niyang gawin. Beauty and brain, walang tapon. Number 4, Diana Mendoza ng Venezuela, Miss Universe 2008. Another Venezuelan pride. Aside from being a beauty queen, Diana is also a successful actress, model, film producer, and a director. Super sikat niya sa kanilang bansa, and she lands on many roles and also appears an ambassador to several events and brand deals. Number 3, Lara Dutta ng India, Miss Universe 2000. Sobrang legend for being the only candidate who scored 9.99 points in the history of Miss Universe. And aside from being a beauty queen, she's also an actress and model. Sobrang successful rin ng kanyang mga projects, ambassadorships, and off-screen works. Number 2, Sushmita Sen ng India, Miss Universe 1994. Sushmita was the first Indian woman to win the title of Miss Universe. Also, she received multiple awards for being the most sought actress in India. And alam naman natin kung gaano kalaki ang Bollywood, diba? Imagine, may 28 awards na siya and counting. And up until now, kahit na 48 years old na siya, she's still the reigning legacy of India pagdating sa beauty pageants. Number 1, Pia Wurtzbach ng Philippines, Miss Universe 2015. Imagine this, after 42 years. It was a remarkable and historical comeback ng Pilipinas para maiuwi na ang corona ng Miss Universe. Pero nakakaloka yung nangyaring eksena. It was surely not only one of the most popular but also the most iconic queen sa Miss Universe. At kahit na ganun pa ang nangyari kay Pia, talaga naman yung impact nito pabalik sa kanya ay positive after the pageant. As of now, she's an actress, model, and also a fashion icon and ambassador of big brands like Bulgari. O, diba? Literal na queen things. Disclaimer lang din ha, this top 10 list is based on the top10.com where people can vote. Kaya